If one of you give, if you say I'm dead, that means you don't wanna.
No, you're not. But you're not recording.
I am. Woo! Give applause right now.
Meow. I'm dead.
Roar.
Meow.
Make sure to not hit his nose.
What?
Make sure to not hit his nose.
Because he might have a nosebleed.
Yeah, if he gets nosebleed, you pay for the hospital bill, right, Aki? With your own money.
Like that one time, he had a nosebleed a lot of times.
We're not doing anything. You do something to me first. Wait. What?
Why don't use that floaty, baby? No.
Why?
Don't use the
Why
floaty.
am I done use?
Just find something.
What? This one. You know what? I need hands.
Whoa, cotton. Haha, yes. Mwah. You can go back to the video. Abutika.
What's that wording?
Imagine someone's looking at you. Caleb. And it's someone you love.
Wait, be careful. Your teeth might fall.
Today you're going to a jet to hot day.
The hill?
Bam, 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 bam.
You cannot
No weapons.
2 minutes more.
Yeah! Satika!
Did the tumbling.
Yo, go in the cameras, not out the camera. Okay, ready, set, go.
Bunding. Bunding ka. Try to find me. Bunding ka. Bunding ka. Wait, I think time. I need to drink water.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Go. You go first. No, you go first.
Wait, keep looking at me behind.
The hell? What are you doing?
No, my face is in the camera.
Pet anymore. You're dumb.
You can stop us doing it.
You're dumb.
Don. Ay. Don. Caleb versus Bibi. Wow.
A day in a life with cousins. We're playing fire.
Are you done? Come on.
Aki, naglalaro ka ng ano dyan, ikaw ang sunugin ko dyan. Sabi huwag ka maglaro ng apoy dyan, at
Aday,
baka masunog itong bahay.
What are you gonna do? Just do anything. Just fight or something.